Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter from mathematics from class 10 and the chapter is trigonometry. We will discuss the basic concept and the important formulas regarding trigonometry. So let's start. The word trigonometry is derived from Greek words tri, it means 3, gon, it means sides, and metron, it means measure. So this way we can say that trigonometry is the study of relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. In fact, trigonometry is the study of relationship between sides and angles of triangle. If the sides are given, then we will find out the angles of the triangle, and if the angles are given, then we will find out the sides of the triangle. Suppose this is a right angle triangle, this is just acute angle, this is just right angle, A, B and C. If the angle is given, then we will find out the side of the triangles by the help of these angles, and if the side is given, then by the help of side we will find out the angles of the triangles. So these things we study in the trigonometry. And now we will discuss some basic concept and the important formulas of the trigonometry. Trigonometrical ratios of acute angle of right angled triangle. Suppose this is a right angle triangle, A, B and C. This is acute angle, this is right angle triangle. The sides which is associated with the angle is called adjacent side. Adjacent side, this is also known as base and it is denoted by a small b. In the figure, AB is perpendicular to BC. If I write here that AB is perpendicular to BC, so we can write AB is a perpendicular, and this is the opposite side of the angle. This is the opposite side of this angle, so this is also known as opposite side. Opposite side. You can say angles of opposite side, angles of adjacent side, and this is the long side of the triangle. As we all know that there are three sides of the triangle, so the third side, which is very large, this is known as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, and it is indicated by a small h. Opposite side perpendicular, this is indicated by small p. Now by the help of this figure, we will find out the ratios of all the angles. Like if I write here sine theta, I write sine theta here because I don't know what is the value of this theta, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, we don't know. So we can simply write sine theta. Sine theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So the formula of the sine theta will be P by H, because opposite side, which is also known as perpendicular, and it is indicated by small p, so the formula of sine theta is P by H. Similarly, cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So the formula of the cos theta will be B by H, because B is the adjacent side and it is also known as base, so B will be the adjacent side and H will be the hypotenuse, and the formula will be cos theta equal to B by H. Then tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side, so formula will be P by B. Then we have cosec theta, hypotenuse by opposite side. So H will be the hypotenuse and P will be the opposite side. So formula of the cos theta will be H by P. Then sec theta equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. So formula will be H by B. Then we have cot theta equal to adjacent side by opposite side. So formula will be B by P. So this way we can write the trigonometrical ratios, and this formula will be used in solving the question which are in our exercise. Now we come to the reciprocal ratios. Sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta, cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta. Similarly, cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, and cot theta equal to 1 by sin theta. This is second, this is third. Now we come to the quotient ratio. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Then cos theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. These are the formula we will use to solve the questions. Now we are solving one question. Suppose the question is, if sin theta equal to root 3 by 2, then find out the other trigonometrical ratios. So, given sin theta equal to root 3 by 2, and we have to find out other ratios by this. So, this is a right angle triangle A, B, C. Sin theta equal to root 3 by 2. That means what formula we will get? Yeah, what? Sin theta equal to P by H. So root 3 will be the value of P and 2 will be the value of H. So this is root 3 because this is perpendicular. This is 2 because this is hypotenuse. Now we have to find out the value of base. So by the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse equal to P square plus B square. Here H square minus P square equal to B square. So B square equal to H square minus P square. Now we put the value of H. H will be the 2 square. P is root 3 square. So B square equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1. So B will be the value of B is 1. Now by the value of B, we find out other ratios like cos theta equal to B by H. Value of B will be the 1. So 1 by 2. Tan theta equal to P by B. So P will be the root 3 and B will be the 1. Cosec H by P. H is 2 and P is root 3. Then sec theta equal to H by B. So H is 2 and B is 1. Then cot theta is B by P. So this is 1 by root 3. So this way we can find out the other ratios if one ratio is already given. So there are many questions we will solve in the next video lectures. Thank you so much for watching.